I'm not even sure how I got here. All I know is that I was in the desert.
So let's look at rounding. Rounding. So let's first pick up a number. Let's pick up the number, let's say 78. So whenever we look at the number 78, we first need to figure out what digit are we supposed to round to. In this case, let's round to the tens place. So let's find the tens place. Ones, tens. Ta-da! We found it. So we underline the place that we are going to round to. We're going to round to the tens place. Now we need to look at the neighbor to the right. And that neighbor is 8. So what does 8 mean? Well, let us first look at a set of numbers. We have
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
and 9. So now, whenever we look at the neighbor, if the neighbor is less than 5, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the number we underlined, the place we're rounding to, stays the same. If the neighbor is 5 or greater, we need to add 1 to the place we're rounding to. So in this case, we have 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we must round up. We must change 78 to 80. So now let's take a look at this number on the number line. We go from 70 to 80. The number we're looking at is 78. '78 is right here, and 78 is closer to 80 than it is 70. So you're going to round up from 78 to 80. 80.
And then there are these numbers on a paper. Numbers on a paper, and there were spots on a box. Spots on a box, numbers on a paper. There were spots on a box, and there was numbers on a paper.
Now if we take a look on the next one on the piece of paper we have here, yes, it is 6,474,003. Now for this problem, we're gonna round to the millions place. So, underline the millions place. Look to the neighbor to the right. A long stretch over to the 4. Now we look at the 4. We have to see, is this 4 greater than 5, 5 or greater, or is it less than 5? When we look here, 4 is less than 5, so we need to keep 6 the same. So, we're looking at the millions place. 6 stays the same. And then, all of the digits to the right will turn into a 0. 4 turns into a 0, 7 turns into a 0, 4 turns into a 0, 0 stays a 0, 0 stays a 0, and 3 turns into a 0 as well. So we will have 6 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So whenever we round this number to the millions place, it turns into 6 million.